Yo guys, what is up? Trent here from How to Haven, and today I'm going to bring you a tutorial on how to properly use a search engine. Really just kind of go beyond that typing in something and just searching. How to really refine some of your results in an easy way. A lot of people don't know how to do this because it's not something that's really taught, and it's really easy to just type something in and not think about it. So I'm just going to give you some examples of how you can refine your search and make things a bit more exact. So let's search for tacos. So if we search tacos, it's going to come up with a bunch of tacos stuff. Great. Probably around the New York City area because that's where I live. But say you want tacos only from government sites. You could type in tacos, and you would type in site, colon, and then the extension you want to find. So if you only want government sites, .gov, and it will only display government links about tacos. So look, FortLauderdale.gov, what'scooking.fns.usda.gov, blah, blah, blah. So you're only going to see government results. And you could change this to anything. You could do .org, and it'll only show you org results. You could even change it to something like .io. Right? So that's really useful. Another tool you could actually use is, say you only want to find tacos, information about tacos in PDF form. So you could do type :.pdf, and it's only going to return results of tacos in PDF formats. Yeah, the tornado taco, real killer right here. Yeah, I don't care. And you can substitute that with anything. You could do .xls. You could do really any data type that you could think of. So whatever you're looking for, and then you can actually combine both of these. So you could do tacos site .gov, and then you could do type .pdf, and it would only return those two. Very interesting. And if you want to get even more exact, you could use quotations if you're looking for the exact match of tacos. Wow. So interesting. It'll make your results a little bit more exact, I guess. But yeah, if you're doing a project or something and you're looking for a very specific thing from a type of site, or you need a certain type of, something to source, this is a really great way to do it. If this helped you, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more. If this really helped you and you're feeling generous, please check out my Patreon. Anything you can contribute really helps and makes me feel good and helps me help other people. Anyways, guys, have a great day.